Good. It's still technically morning. It's 11:54. How y'all doing today? What's up? So, I'm gonna close the window. So, I'm going to the Elektrik Chair today with some friends. I'm gonna vlog it today because why not? Because I'm still trying to figure out if I have the courage would be the word to get these piercings that I've been wanting to get for a moment. Because it's like I could do it or I could just not do it, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. So we will see. Oh my gosh, there's already a line. Like, wow. Like, oh my wow. Okay, well, apparently body modification is a really popular thing today. Well, we just gonna park down the street and just gonna work up and we'll do what it does. I know that I want to get it done. I'm just not sure how well my I don't know. Like, I want to get, I'm just scared. Like, I don't want to say I'm scared. I've done it before. I actually had both my nipples pierced at one time, and then something happened, so then I had to like my right one fell out while I was sleeping, and by the time I woke up the piercing had already closed, so I just didn't get it re-pierced. But it's been what, 8 years since then, almost 8 years actually, so I figured I might as well get it redone. So we'll see what happens, but let's get in line. Twet's making decisions. She doesn't know where to put her tattoo.
What do you think?
Where are your options?
Right here? Right here.
Don't you have one over here?
I have this one right here.
Let's put the opposite.
Opposite? But it won't be like this. It'll be like this.
Oh.
That's the thing.
Oh, you could put it on your face.
No!
You ready? You ready? Right now I'm pretty calm, I guess, for the most part. I'm more calm than I thought I would be.
So, yeah, there's a mirror over there. It might be easier. It's going to be quite a bit different. Now, bonus, though, is the healing is going to be so much easier if you do it. But it's aesthetically, it's going to look different.
Decisions.
So I'm trying to think if I care enough about that to be a factor.
Just so you know, you don't have to do it today, right? I mean, you can always come back on Monday, on Tuesday. You know what I'm saying? Just whenever, though. Okay. I don't want you to feel rushed and hurried into a decision.
Okay, yeah, that was a bad one.
He's like, yeah, that was me. That's my artwork. I know. Is it like a pinch? Oh.
Right? Nothing crazy yet.
He's gonna sanitize you.
Are you recording right now, Linda?
Yes.
Oh.
Am I supposed to not?
No, you
Oh,
can't.
okay. I was like,
I was just asking.
because it's on 20%.
No, you're good.
Phone's on 20%?
Yeah.
Already?
I was just watching YouTube videos this morning.
I do that shit too.
I was trying to, like, I don't know. They were like, we're gonna be in line at 11:30. I'm like, okay. And so.
You look like you're on your deathbed. I'm just kidding.
I've done this before 3 times, so. Not today. Not today?
Not today. In the future, yeah. Your phone won't die, right?
My friend was, she was asking, do you guys do genital piercings? Okay. Joanna was that.
I can see Joanna. Is that bad?
No, I don't know. She asked, but I don't know if she asked with the intention of wanting to get one or was
Some
just
people
curious.
just curiosity, you know?
You got this.
You know what's funny?
I'm your moral support, Justin.
No, Linda, you know what's funny? I am like relaxed to a degree, right? But I know that as soon as like the actual piercing off, my heart's gonna just shoot up. Like the detonator.
How about
at
this
World of
then?
Fun.
Let's
The
go ahead and do
detonator.
this. If you're good with it, man, let's go ahead and have you just start breathing now. Okay. Just big deep breaths. And I want you to focus on your breathing.
Get it.
One, close your eyes.
Turn off my alarm real quick.
Keep breathing. Just relax. Just relax. Relax your body.
Am I in your way?
Relax your mind. And then do a real big deep breath in for me. And let it out. There you go. Just keep breathing, man. You did it. You got one done. You did great.
Yo, that didn't even hurt. Oh my lord. Oh my gosh. Whew. Wow.
How's it feel?
Piece of cake,
It
right?
feels like, I don't know, it's a piece of cake. It
Oh.
really wasn't that big of a deal. I will say this was probably like when I got my nipples pierced. My nipples pierced.
Pimples?
Yeah.
Your pimples?
When I got my nipples pierced, that was like, I would say a 8 or 9 out of my 10 pain tolerance. This was definitely more like a 1.
You probably got
Like
used to the.
it was negligible. Like you feel the pressure of the needle, but I didn't feel pain.
Okay.
So
Tiny little
Yeah.
pinch.
yeah.
A little bit of pressure. That's pretty much it.
Because 1 is not enough, so it had to get 2.
You drop the phone on her.
And let that a little bit more. Perfect. Just like that. Same thing. So if you want, close your eyes. Focus on the breathing. Just relax. Big deep breath in. Let it out. Good job.
Just take care of it. I would do unscented lotion. Do you have any of that?
I have Aquaphor.
Aquaphor? Yeah, don't use that. Just because you only have just a little bit of line work. So you just want to do the unscented lotion. Glucagon or any kind that you have.
After so many years of like wanting to do this. Hey y'all, so I originally, the day that I got my ears pierced, did like a 4-minute or 5-minute kind of reflection and first impressions about, you know, the process, how it went, how I felt about it, how I liked it. And I realized when I was going back and I uploaded the video onto iMovie and I was looking through it, I had the wrong camera. It was very easy. For people who are thinking about getting your ears pierced, I would say specifically on that, it was very easy. It wasn't that hard. It wasn't that complicated. You know, you just lay on the table, they sterilize you, they make sure that they show you this little, it's almost like a litmus test. I always feel like you have to have a lisp when you say that, a litmus test of the, what would it be? Of the sterilization of the needles they're using to, pierce your ears with. So I mean, it's very safe, it's very hygienic, they super clean there. They was wiping, you know, when they were doing the tattoo people, because I was waiting there like before, that like they would wipe down literally every nook and cranny and inch of the desk and the chair and any type of like surface that the tattoo artist used when they were tattooing their client. Like, it's so clean, at least at the Elektrik Chair. That's what I'm saying. So make sure you're going to the right place. But that was so there was that part. So yeah, they were very clean. The people there, really cool, really personable, really nice. You know, it's very chill and laid back and whatever. So like, they definitely ease any type of like nervousness you would have. I was a little bit nervous before getting the ears pierced, but it wasn't that bad. I think it was only when he said like, we're about to start, that I'm like, huh? That you kind of get that exhilaration. But that's just how I am with any type of thing. Like roller coasters, what is it? The first part of the roller coaster, like you're waiting in line, I'm okay. As soon as you get on the ride, that's when my adrenaline starts pumping. So for me, it was like I was getting on the ride when he was saying like, okay, we're gonna start. So, but other than that, it was fine. Like pain tolerance was definitely a 1 for getting the ears pierced. It was a little bit more on the other ear just because I knew what to expect, you know? But, and I guess since I had like a higher sensitivity, because like I feel like all of my nerves went to that one side of my body. But it wasn't that bad. It really wasn't. I liked the results. It's Tuesday right now, so I've only had them for about, 3 days? But I like it already. Aftercare is super simple. I'm just using the saline solution with a Q-tip, just dab, 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 you know, making sure I'm getting all any type of residue or, you know, crusties and all that little stuff off of the piercing. But yeah, I got to keep these in for 2 months, and then hopefully by then, if I'm taking care of them as I should be, I will be able to which I'm not necessarily sure that I would do at this current moment of my life, but I like having the option that I'd be able to do that. That's pretty cool. So yeah, I don't know. I like them. Y'all like them? Leave me a comment in the comment section if y'all like them. You know, if you think, I mean, I feel like I made the right choice. I really like them. People have said that they like the look that it gives me. Who's this person just walking his dog, looking how he looking in his shirt and shorts? I'm telling you, guys in just shirt and shorts, if it fits them right. This, okay, tangent. Dudes, do yourself a service. If you're trying to get anybody or just trying to attract someone, guy, girl, whoever you into, the fit of your clothing changes everything. Like for dudes who work out or people who just have nice bodies in general, it makes no sense for you to have such a type of physique but then not wear clothing that accentuates that. Like if you're a guy that has a nice chest or big arms, why would you wear such a, you know, drowning shirt where people can't see that? I'm not saying it's got to be tight and be a muscle shirt, but just wear something that is flattering, you know? Or if you're a person who has like, if you're a person who has really good legs, you know, wear shorts that are a little bit more tapered and a little bit more narrow through the leg, so that when it meets, like, I would say lower to mid thigh, my own personal preference, but you know, where you want to wear. I mean, don't wear, you know, if you wear clothes that fit your body and make you look better than how you would normal stuff, I'm telling you, your play is gonna go up so much higher. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. People don't be looking for people that dress like a scrub, People do not be looking for people who dress like a scrub. That's all I'm gonna say. But anyway, that was a little tangent because I just had to think about that just now. Y'all know it is not cool when your phone cut out because there's no more storage on your phone because you got too many videos filmed on your phone. Anyway, like I was just saying before, dress nice, and people, you know, not even nice. It don't gotta be from, you know, a high-end store. Just wear stuff that flatters your body, okay? I might do a video about that. I don't know. Let me know if you want me to do one. Put something in the comments below. Speaking of which, you got a question to comment? Put it in the thing below. Hit me up on any type of social media if you care to do that. Snapchat and Instagram is where I be most of the time. So, you know, shoot me a message there if you want to. Don't forget to subscribe. Click that button. Click that post notification to the little bell icon, okay? Do that too. And what else? That's it. So if you want to watch last week's video or last video in general, it's right there. Playlist right there, some other stuff. And always that subscribe icon is right there. If you have not done it yet, please do, okay? And I will see y'all Monday for next video, okay? Peace and keep it locked.